Hello class and welcome back. In this video we're going to go over this program. We're going to write one named stop sign that displays a pattern similar to the image below. So it's supposed to look like a stop sign. The number of spaces for each row in the images shown above are as follows. So you have for row 1 you have 3 spaces all padding left, so you should have 1, 2, 3 spaces left. 9 spaces for number 2. 1 padding left, so there's 1 on the left and then 9 spaces in the middle. So we have this kind of stop sign looking thing. So let's go ahead and create this program. So let's do a right line. And since I'm going to be doing a whole lot of right lines, I'm going to set myself up a template. I'm going to put some double quotes there, and I'm going to copy and paste this several times. Oh, I don't want it to the side, I want it down below. How many rows do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rows. So I should have 8 right line statements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so the first one, it had 3 padding left. So 1, 2, 3, X. And how many X's do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one, 1 padding left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. And then the next one, no padding left, and we had the word stop in the middle. So there's no padding left here. We have the word stop in the middle, an X right there. And then we're just going to kind of mimic, wait a minute, let me make sure I got the right one. Yeah, we're just going to mimic this line right here. And then the next one's going to mimic the line above it. Okay, that should be about right. Let me minimize this. Does that look right to you guys? A little bit. This is driving me mad because it's an even number, but it's offset 1, so that's just not what I'm wanting. So let's go ahead and run it and see what it looks like. Oh, there were build errors. What was our build error? Does not contain a static main method. I need to capitalize that M. Now we run it. Oh, public static void main. Forgot I had caps lock on, so I gave it another. All right, there we go. So we have stop sign. So your main method needs to have a capital M. We have learned that today. That looks like a stop sign. I think we're good to go. I think that suffices the assignment. Let me know if you have any issues. Oh, don't save. Let me know if you have any issues, and we will see you in the next video. You guys have a good day.